Norfolk, and now the owners are left cleaning up the mess. Police say someone threw rocks at the business on Ingleside Road on Sunday. 10 on your side's Kay Young has a look at the damage.
Came in, do some things at the office and noticed immediately that this glass was shattered up front.
Joseph Gerloff says Gerloff Painting will need repairs from vandalism over the weekend. Broken windows and shards of glass are scattered around his family's business and other buildings on Ingleside Road in Norfolk.
We've got one window down here obviously broken. A couple of windows to the left, Stone was thrown at it twice, didn't break it, so they gave up on that window. Threw a rock through this window.
Norfolk police tell 10 on your side someone threw rocks into a few businesses Sunday. Business owners say now that the damage is done, they're scrambling to file insurance claims and cover immediate cost of the cleanup.
Some of those windows broken out were very large, so that'll be expensive.
Police do not have any leads on who vandalized these businesses, but they hope to prevent future damage.
We have a security system, and we're just taking it upon ourselves to secure our company as best as possible.
Police say the vandals did not steal any merchandise or building materials from the businesses. Kay Young, 10 on your side.